by the authority of the most worshipful grand lords of free and accepted nations of the people, I do now hereby proclaim that this hall wherein we have assembled has been dedicated for the purposes of Freemasonry in due and ancient form.
The newly installed officers of Omar Manabilang Lodge number 471.
I will now install you, Worshipful Master of Omar Manabilang, Masonic Lodge number 471. Brother Jamal Manabilang, you have been elected Junior Warden of this lodge, and I now invest you with the badge of your high position. Brother Alexander Dimapuro, you have been elected Senior Warden of this lodge, and I now invest you with the distinctive badge of your honorable station, the level.
Most Worshipful Johnny T. Pimentel, Grand Master of Masons in the jurisdiction of the Philippines, it is with great pleasure that you visit our lodge.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. First and foremost, please allow me to extend my warmest fraternal greetings to everyone. Secondly, I'd like to inform you that I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to you for your very, very warm reception. Although Lanao del Sur is really a very far place, but pagdating ko po dito, sa init ng pagtanggap ninyo, nawala po yung pagod namin na travel namin dito. Let me also extend my thanks to you for inviting me to be your guest of speaker and guest honor, and aside from that, to dedicate this temple. Alam nyo, isa yan na obligasyon po ng Grand Master to dedicate temples